Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle, and hello if you're new here. I create beauty and makeup content each and every week, so if you do enjoy these kind of videos, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. And also don't forget to subscribe so you stay up to date with all my latest uploads. And currently we're in a declutter series where each week I go through all my makeup and I keep what I want and get rid of what I don't need or what I don't want. And sorry if I'm a little nasally, if I sound a little nasally. I'm getting over being sick for like the past week and a half, so just bear with me. This is not my normal voice. Today we are decluttering all of my primers. This is everything I have. Let's just get started in today's video. Starting off with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. As you can tell, I have a lot left. This is probably already a year old, and I keep trying to use it, and it's good. Don't get me wrong, it is good, but they've come out with so many dupes that I don't find it necessary to purchase. So I definitely would never repurchase this ever again. I'm not going to throw it away simply because it is way too expensive, and I'm just going to hold on to it for now. But overall, I would not repurchase. I regret buying this bottle. I regret getting it, and I regret getting it so big. Another high-end primer that I regret is this Too Faced Hangover Refreshing Face Primer. It's good. It does refresh the skin. Like, it does give moisture back to your skin, but I don't know. I find it more to be less of a primer and more of a moisturizer. So I personally would never repurchase this, and I'm probably going to get rid of this because this is pretty old, and I'm about like halfway through. Like, that's as far as I have. So this one is leaving my stash. Next up, this is the No Pore Blem Primer. As you can tell, I love this primer. It's just like the perfect pore filling primer, and it doesn't break me out or anything. So I'm gonna keep it. I would like to repurchase it if I can. I think this is actually pretty pricey. I don't know, I have to check to see exactly how much this is. I'm pretty much sure I bought this during like one of Ulta's like 21-day sales, like sometimes like 2 years ago maybe at this point. I don't know. But I actually really enjoy this primer, so I'm keeping this until I can't keep it no more. So I have an e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. 100% keeping this. You see me use this all the time here on this channel. This is my go-to primer, ride or die. I love this primer, so she's here to stay. Now, that was the matte version. This is just the original version. This is the Poreless Putty Primer, and I pretty much used most of it, as you can tell. So I'm going to get rid of this because there's barely anything left, and I honestly prefer the matte one better. I feel like it just works better with my skin, so I'm not going to repurchase this or anything. This one could go. So this is a new e.l.f. primer, and I can't tell if I like it yet, but I could tell you one thing. This is a dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip. I'm keeping this because I just purchased it, and I only used it like twice. So the Believe Beauty Pretty and Primed. I bought this when I did my Dollar Tree video, and it's okay. I don't notice my makeup staying on any longer or anything really. Don't notice any type of difference, so I'm going to be getting rid of this. Honestly, I just don't reach for it. It's just taking up space. The Milani SPF BFF Primer. So this is like a sunscreen and a primer. I love this. This honestly makes my makeup look so good. It makes my face look nice and plump. I'm keeping this. If you've never tried this, I recommend it. 10 out of 10 for this. Another high-end primer. This is the Oil and Shine Control by Smashbox. This is their photo finish line. It's okay. I feel like everyone overhypes it. I'm gonna keep it, but honestly, it's nothing special. I wouldn't recommend purchasing it. That's just my personal opinion. However, this primer from Smashbox, so I actually don't use this as a primer. This is like their primer oil. I use this like after my makeup is done, and if I see some dry patches or if something just doesn't look right, I put this on like the back of my hand, and I put my sponge and dab it in, and then I dab it into my skin, and it just makes my skin look flawless. It looks so beautiful. So I'm keeping this 110%. Would recommend this. A little goes a long way. Like, I've had this for well over a year now, and I still have a lot left. This is worth the price. Okay, so this is the last one I have, and this is actually, I don't know what this is. This was gifted to me. My mom gave this to me, but this is actually technically a sunscreen, but I really like it. But this is the Monat Sun Veil Sunscreen. This is a mineral sunscreen, so if you suffer with rosacea, I believe mineral sunscreens is what you want to use. I might be getting that confused, but this sunscreen works really great on my skin, so I recommend. It doesn't leave a white cast that a lot of mineral sunscreen leaves. So 10 out of 10, I recommend this. That's it, guys. I know that was like a quick, speedy declutter and probably wasn't as satisfying as the other ones, but I don't have too many primers to begin with, so that's kind of why it was really fast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My declutter series is slowly coming down to an end. I only have a couple more things that I could go through. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot with the algorithm and YouTube. It will help push out this video. And don't forget to subscribe so you stay up to date with all my latest uploads. And as always, before signing off, I want to leave you with this. You are beautiful, you are loved, and you are worthy. Alright guys, bye.